3, stop. Okay, alright. Okay. Madali. Dagdag pa tayo? Kaya pa? Sige. Siguro isa na lang. Try natin isa na lang. Next figure ay slide and tap. Madali lang to. Slide and tap. So, si slide and tap, isang side muna ulit. Isang side. Leader, left, follower, right. Go. 1, 2, 3, tap. So, nasan yung slide and tap? Etong nakatap na paa, mag-iisang step sa ng slide. Slide, tap. So, pag bumalik, hindi sa 1, 2, 3, tap. Isang slide, then tap. Okay? This is figure number 8. Slide and tap. Can I see? 5, 6, slide and tap. 1, 2, 3, tap, slide, and tap again. 1, 2, 3, tap, slide. One more. 1, 2, 3, tap, slide. Last one. 1, 2, 3, tap, slide, and tap. Dali na. Slide and tap. Ready. Music. Slide and tap.